In this video, I'll show you how to create the FallOut trend videos you see on TikTok. So if you're interested in becoming one of the FallOut characters on TikTok, then let me show you how to create this video trend using your iPhone and CapCut. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. CapCut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download that. Now, once that's downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here, you're searching for FallOut CapCut. Now, in the search results, you're looking for those videos that is doing the trend. So, for example, this one here, this one. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, within those videos, you're looking for CapCut, try this template. So you'll see it just above the username. So go ahead and tap on it. This will now load the template. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. This will open up CapCut. Go ahead and tap on Use Template. Now here, CapCut will ask you to sign in. So just go ahead and sign in with your TikTok account. Now go ahead and select a photo. Then tap on Next. Then tap on Continue. And now this will start to create the AI effect on your photo. So just give it some time. Okay, go ahead and tap on Play. And now it has turned your photo into a FallOut character. Now, once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Export at the top right. Then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will automatically export the video and send it over to TikTok. Now you can go ahead and add your music, your sound, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. And there you go. That is how to create the FallOut trend videos you see on TikTok. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.